the last part of theorem is proof. In this proof, we will make two boxes, two parts. In the left hand side, we write statements. On the right hand side, we will write reasons. Here we write statements, and in this column, we will write their reasons. After construction, we see that two triangles are formed. Triangle PAC and PBC. These are two triangles. In these two triangles, we will make the correspondence. Correspondence means we will compare their sides and angles. So we write here triangle ACP is with correspondence to triangle BCP. There is no reason because this is only comparison, so it has no reason. Now we will write the sides and angles of this triangle below this, and sides and angles of this triangle below this. First of all, we will write AC is congruent to BC. AC means AC side. This is A to C. As this is given in statement that a line is bisecting the line AB. So this is the portion of line AB. A to C, C to B, both are equal to each other. They said this thing was given in the statement. So we write here AC is congruent to BC and reason is given. Secondly, angle ACP is congruent to angle BCP. These are angle ACP of this triangle. This is of 90 degrees. Is congruent to angle BCP. This is also of 90 degrees. Both are equal to each other in measurement, so they are congruent. And we write here, and other reason is it is LM is perpendicular to AB, and perpendicular make right angles on both sides. So angle ACP is congruent to angle BCP, and reason is given, or PC. In this given, they said PC line is perpendicular to AB line segment. So that each angle at C is equals to 90 degrees. Look here. This is perpendicular to this, and there are two angles, both are of 90 degrees. And third thing, there are three things for congruency of triangles. 1, 2 and third one will be PC is congruent to PC. PC means the line which is this PC. PC of this is the side of this triangle as well as of this triangle. This is the common side of both triangles. So its length is equal to itself. We write here PC is congruent to PC, and this is the common side. Therefore, this is the sign of therefore or hence. ACP is congruent to BCP. Now we can, after three statements, we can say that triangle ACP is congruent to triangle BCP according to side angle side congruent to side angle side postulate. So we write here side angle side postulate. According to rule, if two sides and one angle of one triangle is congruent to two sides and one angle of other triangle, then they will be congruent to each other. Congruent mean they will be equal in measurement size to each other. Hence PA is congruent to PB. It's mean the remaining sides of congruent triangles will be congruent. Angles and sides, remaining angles and remaining sides of two congruent triangles are always congruent. So PA is the PA is the side of this triangle. It will be congruent to its corresponding side PB of this triangle. And this was our required or to prove. Hence, we prove that PA is congruent to PB, and we write here the reason: corresponding sides of congruent triangles.